Foshan Jinyifan Metal Products Company Limited is a metal art company with integrating design and development. The main products are stainless steel decorative sheet, metal sculpture, metal screen partition, and room divider, customized metal products, etc., which are used for one-stop service and design of metal decoration projects. Jinyifan has a professional design team, development team, and sales team to provide customers with the best products and services. We provide one-stop design and service of metal projects. Jinyifan provides more reasonable development structure, organization suggestion, and process to save projects. We have excellent development and service process, an experienced team to ensure one-stop stainless steel products, supply, and one-stop project solution. Since we provide installation guidance and after-sale, whether selecting current products or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you all can choose Jinyifan. From raw material to technology, Jinyifan are devoted to perfect combination of quality and beauty. Although the workmanship is so complex and tedious, Jinyifan never give up on our pursuit for using metal products to bring more beauty to decorations. And for most production processes, we insist on using manual processes to guarantee the quality and beauty. Every decoration project means a challenge. We mainly design metal artworks and handmade artistic sculptures of metal and develop metal decorations. Every design shows the designer's ideas and attitudes. Every detail is handmade by craftsmen. Jinyifan firmly believe metal can warm you and your life.